Mga kwentong pambata.
The Honest Jen. Once upon a time in a small town called Riverdale, there lived friends Monica, Jenny, and Gloria.
I have something to show you.
Wow! Is this a doll?
Yes,
Wow,
it is my doll. My mom
had
bought it
one.
for me.
May I see?
No, don't touch it. Monica, I'm just touching it.
What's going on there, class?
Sorry, sir.
Class, it's game time. You can go outside, but be back on time for English lesson. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Come on, Monica, let's play.
No, I have to stay in class to take care of my doll.
How silly! Come and play.
You don't come, I will take it and throw it. Glory, don't say such horrible things.
I'm just joking. Come on.
Okay.
Oh, class, I forgotten my spectacles. Glory, could you get them to the room?
Yes, sir.
What's all this ruckus about?
Sir, my doll, my brand new doll, I can't find it. I had kept it in my bag, and now it's not there.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Sure that you did not carry it to the playground or while you are in a restaurant?
Yes, sir. I think someone has stolen it.
Monica, before judging to other person, you need to know where did you put it before jumping to your conclusion, because it is bad, right? It is bad to say that other people stole your doll. Go and find your doll.
We will go with her, sir.
Okay.
1 hour later.
You're home. That's already enough. Why are you crying?
But I'm not a thief.
Yeah, I know, but tell me. What happened at school?
Dad, I took Monica's doll. After we returned for the English lesson, I saw the doll fall below her desk, so I hid it in my bag. Just as a joke, Dad, I promise.
So why did you just return her to her?
I can't, Dad. I was just about to return it to her, but she suddenly said that someone stolen her doll. They even blamed Glory, and I got scared, Dad.
Look, it's not about how people may think about it. I'm telling you. Do you want your best friend to feel sad?
Never, Dad. But what I do now?
Look, you have a class tomorrow, right? Go to school tomorrow, return the doll, and say sorry. Now stop crying.
The next day.
Class,
Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmates. Good morning.
be seated. Class, did somebody has found the doll?
I have, sir.
Where?
Here, sir.
Oh my God, my doll! Thank you, Jenny. You found it.
I didn't find it, Monica. I'm sorry, I took it.
What?
Yesterday, Monica's doll out of her bag during the English lesson. and I thought it would be a good job to hide it from her for some time. But just I was about to return it to her, she said someone stolen it, and I got scared.
And you keep quiet and when they said I have stolen it.
I'm sorry.
I'm never speaking to you again. You're a thief, Jenny.
Enough! Silence, everyone. Do you not realize that Jenny did not have returned the pencil? But still she did. She could lie and told us that she found the pencil fallen somewhere, right? It is all well to point out that mistakes of others, but it takes real courage to admit to our own mistake. We should be proud of her. And tell me, class, is Jenny a nice girl and a good classmate?
Yes, sir. Jenny is always kind and hardworking.
And Monica, you love your doll, but doesn't mean you panic so much if it is lost. How could you think that someone from our class must have stolen it?
I'm sorry, sir. It is my fault that Jenny got scared. I'm sorry, Jenny.
I'm sorry, Jenny.
I'm sorry too, Monica. I'm sorry, everyone.
Remember, only people who are brave will have the courage to accept their mistakes and speak the truth. Remember, honesty is always the right choice.